What is going on, my babies? Welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if this is gonna be the continuing from my last one or this is gonna be by itself because I am currently working anyways. It's the weekend, but I'm picking the camera up real late because it's currently like literally late, 11:15. I just got off, but I'm going to a family member birthday party at the spot where my sister had her surprise birthday at Ghost Bar here in Houston. So yeah. And of course, if you are new to the channel, welcome baby, welcome to my ones that's been here. And if you are wanting to join the Dread Baby gang, all you gotta do is just hit the subscribe button. Okay. Now let's get into this outfit real fast before I leave. And it's something simple. Shirt from Five Below, the shorts from Target. Finally get to wear them. LV bag, and then LV tennies. So that's how it's going. Simple jewelry. You see how it's going. Simple jewelry. And yeah, this is how the look is doing. This is the what? Last day in a wig, baby. Oh, it is over for the wigs. Over. What? Over for the wigs. Because Monday I'll be getting this hair braided. So I'll be washing my hair tomorrow so I can, you know, get it together. But anyway, let me stop yipping and yapping because y'all know I got a long wind. Yeah, I got a long way, so I will catch y'all at the party. Hey.